The humble almond is one of the world's most popular and nutritious nuts, packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins. But few people know the fascinating journey an almond takes from seed to snack. The global demand for almonds has skyrocketed in recent decades, making them a staple in diets worldwide. This video takes you inside the vast almond empire of California, revealing the intricate processes that make large-scale production possible. California dominates global almond production, supplying over 80% of the world's almonds. But how does this state produce an astonishing 2.8 billion pounds of almonds annually? It all comes down to meticulous farming techniques, optimal climate conditions, and advanced agricultural technology. From carefully managed orchards to high-tech processing plants, every step is crucial to maintaining both quality and quantity. California's Mediterranean-like climate provides the perfect conditions for almond trees to thrive. With hot, dry summers and mild winters, the state offers an ideal environment for large-scale almond cultivation. But growing almonds isn't just about the climate. It requires careful planning, soil management, and innovative irrigation systems to ensure sustainability. Farmers use advanced irrigation techniques, such as drip irrigation, to maximize water efficiency. These methods ensure that almond trees receive the precise amount of water needed for optimal growth while conserving this precious resource. Additionally, research institutions and farmers work together to improve almond varieties, making them more resistant to pests and diseases. Before a single almond seedling is planted, the land must be carefully prepared. Field preparation is a crucial step in the growing process, setting the foundation for a successful harvest. One of the first tasks in field preparation is disking, which involves breaking up the soil to improve aeration and nutrient absorption. Disking helps eliminate weeds, loosen compacted soil, and create an optimal environment for young almond trees. Farmers may also add organic matter or fertilizers to enrich the soil, ensuring that the seedlings have the necessary nutrients to grow strong and healthy. Proper field preparation is key to increasing yield and maintaining soil health for future crops. Once the field is prepared, farmers plant almond seedlings in carefully spaced rows. These seedlings, often grown in nurseries before transplantation, mark the beginning of an orchard that will take years to reach full production. Almond trees typically take about 3 to 4 years before they begin producing significant yields. Each seedling is planted with precision, ensuring adequate space for root expansion and future growth. Farmers also implement drip irrigation systems early on, providing controlled water delivery to the young trees. Proper planting techniques significantly impact the tree's health, resilience, and eventual yield. Pruning is an essential step in maintaining healthy and productive almond trees. This practice involves carefully cutting away excess branches to improve air circulation, sunlight penetration, and overall tree structure. Pruning encourages better almond production by directing the tree's energy toward fruit-bearing branches. Farmers typically prune almond trees during the winter when the trees are dormant. By removing weak or overcrowded branches, they help prevent diseases and improve the overall efficiency of the orchard. Proper pruning techniques ensure that each tree can produce high-quality almonds year after year. Every spring, almond orchards across California transform into a breathtaking sea of white and pink blossoms. This period is crucial for almond production, as it marks the beginning of pollination. Almond trees rely on bees to transfer pollen between blossoms, ensuring successful fertilization and future almond development. Farmers strategically place beehives throughout orchards to enhance pollination rates. The presence of strong and healthy bee colonies significantly impacts the yield. However, concerns about bee population decline have led to ongoing research on alternative pollination methods to secure the future of almond farming. Once the almonds have matured, harvesting season begins, usually between August and October. The process starts with mechanical tree shakers, which gently shake the trees, causing almonds to fall onto the orchard floor. This method allows for efficient and large-scale harvesting. Afterward, the almonds are left to dry naturally on the ground for several days. Once sufficiently dried, specialized machines sweep them into rows and collect them for further processing. The goal is to ensure minimal moisture content before they move to the next stage. Once harvested, almonds are transported to processing facilities where they undergo rigorous sorting and quality control. Advanced machinery removes debris, separates almonds by size, and inspects them for any imperfections. This process ensures only the highest quality almonds make it to market. The almonds are then shelled, blanched, roasted, or processed into various forms such as almond butter, flour, and oil. State-of-the-art technology ensures efficiency and hygiene throughout the production process, making California almonds a trusted product worldwide. Almonds are one of the most versatile nuts, used in everything from snacks to skincare products. Whole almonds, almond milk, and almond flour are popular choices among consumers seeking plant-based and gluten-free alternatives. The nutritional benefits of almonds make them a key ingredient in many health-conscious diets. Beyond food, almonds play a role in the cosmetics and wellness industry. Almond oil is a sought-after ingredient in skincare products due to its moisturizing and antioxidant properties. The demand for almond-based products continues to grow, fueling further expansion in almond farming. California's almond empire is a testament to innovation, sustainability, and agricultural expertise. With increasing global demand, farmers are continuously adopting new technologies to enhance efficiency and environmental sustainability. Challenges such as water conservation and climate change remain focal points for the industry's future. As research and technology advance, the future of almond farming looks promising. From sustainable irrigation practices to improved pollination techniques, the industry is evolving to meet the needs of both consumers and the environment. California's almond empire is poised to remain a dominant force in global agriculture for years to come.
Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon. Write your suggestions into comment box. Stay tuned for more amazing content.